In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then click this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password that you wish to check. Following that, enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!